one of the earliest hotels in New Zealand.
Out there.
Moved up on the hill here, where it's a fire here about 1875. And we're going to slow down here and make sure we don't hit any cars. The main, this is the State Highway 1 in New Zealand. Coming to here.
Yeah.
Coming up on our left is the King's Theatre. It's a new art gallery opened about a year ago, very interesting. They had